Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a very unique casting. Well, the casting is not unique, it's common, it's a Mighty K. But the finish is very unique. I can't remember the name of the set, but they had few cars which is finished in a way like how they will look if they were in animated series, I guess. And this is how they think it's gonna look. So let's open it up and see. So the Mighty K is out of its box, and just for your reference, let me show you how the actual casting looks. This is how the actual casting looks, more like what you will see on road. And then this one is finished in different shade of so many colors, just to make it look how it's gonna look in a, that's my guess, in an animated movie. So still has the same basic design language of the original Mighty K. So you still get the skateboard, you get the spare wheel toolbox, those tiny wheels and lowered body kit in the front, but the paint is very unique here. You get the yellow lower bumper, a matte purple kind of body paint. You have the headlamps, which is again good to have, you need those. You also get both the mirrors, windshield wipers, good details to have. You also see the intercooler, but I've never seen an intercooler finish in this paint. Number plate and the front lower splitter, if I'm not wrong. On the, well, it's a right hand drive. So on the driver's side, it's the same concept, same paint design goes on. You do have the spoiler on the top. So basically it's the same Mighty K, but the very unique paint. Wheels, I don't think any truck comes with, or any vehicle comes with orange wheels, but this one is finished in orange, which is very unique. There is this unique logo on the side, if you see. If I can zoom in a bit. So this is a very unique logo. I think it's particular for this series of cars. Coming back to the paint again. So the interior is finished in yellow. Very unique again. On the back, there's place for like the tail lamp, but it's not painted. I think on the original Mighty K it's painted. And you can again see the bed finished in same purple paint. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So the base is also in a different color. On the original one it's in black. This one is different. So it has got all the details from the Mighty K. It's just the finish is very different, very unique. And I don't think you ever see that on road. This is a unique one. Just wanted to share. And I think it's different. And I'm not a huge fan of this, so I'm not going to get the rest of the cars from the set, but I found this one. I thought you might want to see it. So those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.